My name is Marko Bey. I'm Executive Director of Lomakatsi Restoration Project. We're a nonprofit organization dedicated to restoring ecosystems and the resiliency of communities, cultures, and economies. We do that through ecosystem restoration, workforce development, and community revitalization. So we have scientists that are part of our training program. We have traditional elders and then young adults who harbor a lot of knowledge of their land. We hire ages 18 to 30. They're paid a really good living wage, and they have an opportunity after the training to work for their tribe, to work for federal agencies, state agencies. So it's an on-ramp camp to natural resource career path. So ecosystem restoration is the process of restoring an ecosystem that's been degraded, damaged, or destroyed. So we work with our science teams, we work with our tribal experts to find that radical middle, our federal agency partners, state agency partners, industry partners, tribal partners. 90% of the time we're in agreement. There's 10% of the time where there's a difference of opinion, and we can work through those differences of opinion. We can come together in that radical middle and find those zones of agreement and work on the landscape in an active stewardship approach. Restoration is expensive. It costs millions and millions of dollars. We have to bring non-federal investment to the table. And the importance of foundations like Oregon Community Foundation are key to our success. They're key to getting this landscape resiliency work done. We've had some large fires since 2020. One of the areas we've been working in since 2004, when the fire came to that location, it dropped and it creeped on the ground, and that landscape is still intact. So it's powerful, very powerful.